Bakura, I know how we're going to defeat the Pharaoh once and for all.
Let me guess. We're going to challenge him to a children's card game.
No, we're going to steal from him the source of his power, and then we will use it against him.
His Millennium Puzzle?
Foolish fool! The puzzle is not the source of his power. His power comes from his leather pants.
Seriously?
Yes. Come, Bakura. Let us attain his leather pants.
I guess I had nothing better to do today.
Ho, 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 ho. Let's take his leather pants. Ho, 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 ho. Let's take his leather pants. Ha 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 ha, la 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 la. We want his leather pants. Da da ra ra ra. Na na fla fla fla. La la cha cha cha. Take off his leather pants. I'm getting ready. My legs have been waxed. 'Cause when we get them, I am wearing your slacks right on my tush. Tush 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 right on my tush. Tush tush right on my tush. Hey. We want your trousers, your breeches, your chaps. No, you can't get these pants from shopping at Gap. Their service sucks. Sucks, 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 it really sucks. Sucks, sucks, it really sucks.
You know that we want them. And you know that we need them. We want the pants, your leather pants.
Me and Bakura, we will have our revenge. Him and me will take your leather pants. Oh, oh, oh. Me and Bakura, we will have our revenge. Him and me will take your leather pants. Oh, 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 oh. Let's take his leather pants. Oh, 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 oh. Give us the effing blah blah blah, da da pa pa pa, ya ya, mamma mia. We want those leather pants. We don't want vinyl or chinos or briefs. I am a criminal and he is a thief. Plus we're both hot, 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 hot. We are quite sexy.
Marek, that doesn't rhyme.
Shut up! I am Lady Gaga. I have watched Psycho and I liked Vertigo. The Bird was okay. Oh, I love Rear Window by Alfred Hitchcock. Cock, 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 we love Hitchcock. Cock, cock, we love Hitchcock.
Good evening. You know that we want them. And you know that we need them. We want the pants, your leather pants.
Me and Bakura, we will have our revenge. Him and me will take your leather pants. Oh, oh, oh. Me and Bakura, we will have our revenge. Him and me will take your leather pants. Oh, 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 ho, 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 ho. We want those leather pants. Oh, 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 oh. Let's steal his leather pants. Ta ta ma ma ma, ba ba wa wa wa, za za va va va. Take off his leather pants. Ga ga ra ra ra, na na fla fla fla, la la cha cha cha. I like these silly noises. Where, let the baby work it, move your tush, it's sexy. Where, let the baby work it, move your tush, it's sexy. Where, let the baby work it, move your tush, it's sexy. Where, let the baby work it. I'm an evil bitch, baby. We want your pants and we want our revenge. We want your pants and we're really just friends. Je voudrais son pantalon queer, son pantalon. Why am I speaking French? Why am I speaking French? I don't wanna be French. We want your leather pants. Take off your friggin' pants. Me and Bakura, we will have our revenge. Him and me will take your leather pants. Oh, oh, oh. Me and Bakura, we will have our revenge. Him and me will take your leather freaking pants. Let's get his leather pants. Let's take his leather pants. Whoa, ho, 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 ho. Take off those freaking pants. Remove his effing pants. Let's take his leather pants. Ha 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 ha. Mwah ha 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 ha. Ga ha 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 ha. We've got the leather pants. At last, the source of the Pharaoh's power. His leather pants. They belong to me.
You mean us?
Don't be difficult, Fluffy. Only one of us can wear the pants.
Okay, Marek. Though I have to say I had no idea you were this keen to get into the Pharaoh's pants.
You know what, on second thoughts, you put them on.
What in the name of Ra is going on? Why did you remove my trousers?
It's over, Pharaoh. Now we are the ones wearing the pants on this show.
Yes, behold! Now the true source of your power is clamped tightly around my buttocks. What? Don't be absurd. My leather pants aren't the source of my power.
Wait, what, they're not? But it was so friggin' obvious.
No, no, no. I'm afraid my power comes from my leather shoes.
No! This cannot be! There aren't even any Lady Gaga songs that rhyme with shoes! Curse you, Pharaoh!
I really do like the pants.
Yes, they do look good on you.
Can I have those back now? No. Can't beat my, no you can't beat my leather shoes. I have got some leather shoes. Can't beat my, no you can't beat my leather shoes. I have got some leather shoes. La 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 leather shoes, la la leather shoes. I've got some shoes, la 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 leather shoes, la la leather shoes. I've got some shoes.